I'm going to show you quickly how to upgrade your content with a quick AI tool. You can use this for pretty much anything, generating images, generating videos, creating cinematic pieces, morphing new backgrounds, whatever you can think of. I'm pretty sure this tool can do it. We're going to use Higgsfield today to transform a little piece at the beginning of my TikTok video with AI. We're going to make it look like I'm an old lady because I'm telling you in that video, it's these damn phones that's taken away from our life. So this is the edited video inside. We're going to take this little piece right here at the beginning.
It's that damn phone. You got to put the phone down. You want to become who you want to be.
Now the editing tool that I'm using currently is CapCut. We're going to go to this little hamburger icon at the top. You're going to click export still frame. Now you want to make sure this playhead is on the frame that you want to export. Normally I would use the beginning of the video, so make sure it's all the way over. This is the still frame that we're going to use. We're going to click this button, click export still frame, and then click export. Now you can also use the motion control inside of Higgsfield, so we can take the image, but we also can take that clip of the video. So what I normally do is I'll just highlight everything else that we're not going to use, copy it, delete it, and then export that little piece. So this little piece is probably about 5 seconds. So you'll click export video and then export. Once you have the video and or image, you're going to go over to Higgsfield, and it is Higgsfield.ai. Now we're going to take the image that we downloaded, upload it to the canvas, and you can choose which model you want to use for the AI. For this specifically, we'll keep it the same. And I'm going to prompt, change the woman in the photo to a woman in her 60s. Actually, we'll even put 80s. Keep the integrity of the image. And then make sure you pay attention to the aspect ratio because we are using a 9:16 for the video. So you want to make sure it generates the same size image. We're going to click generate. It's going to generate 2 pictures, but you can go up to 4. Of course, you can be more detailed with the prompt. You can use a conversational AI and have it create a full prompt for you. It's completely up to you. Normally, I'm just as simple as possible, especially with a tool that I use because it becomes trained on the way that you prompt it. So these are the 2 images that it generated. Now we're going to take one of these and add it to the motion control. I'm going to download it just in case. Sometimes you can come down here and click animate or click this drop box, but you know, sometimes it don't work. Now the way to get to the videos from the images, we're going to go ahead and click the video button, and then we're going to change it to motion control. So as you can see, I already put the video inside of the video section. Now we're going to add the character. The character is the image that we just downloaded. So it should be able to take the older lady and put it on top of the video. So that way she has my movements from that short clip. Now it says scene control mode. You can choose where the background should come from, the character image or the actual motion video. In this case, it doesn't matter because it's the same background, but just to make sure it aligns, we're going to go ahead and leave it as video, and we're going to click generate. Okay, so let's see what it generated.
It's that damn phone. You got to put the phone down. You want to become who you want to be. It's that damn.
Looks good to me. So now we're going to download it and take it back into CapCut to add to the video. Now I'm also going to show you how to morph it so it can go from the older woman to my present self. But first we're going to go and add our video. So we're going to import it. As you can see, it's pretty much the same length, so we can just switch it out.
It's that damn phone. You got to put the phone down. You want to become who you want to be. It was right.
You can leave it like that if you want to, where it just cuts into the next video, or we can go ahead and morph it together. So the way that you do that is you go to the end of the video, right? So to make sure you get the correct still frame, you're going to put it in between the 2 frames and then hit the back arrow. So you can see going between the 2. All right, so we're going to download that still frame, and you can always add a name so you know which one you're downloading if you're downloading multiples, so you don't get them mixed up. So we're going to export this and we're going to take it back into Higgsfield. Now, being that we're morphing from one frame to the next frame, you're going to need the end frame of the first and the beginning frame of the next. So again, we use the back arrow to get to this frame. Now we're going to use the front arrow to get back to this frame and download that export. So instead of motion control, we're going to go to create video. Once you have both frames, you're going to insert them into Higgsfield. So go to the start frame and add the first one, and then go to the end frame and add the next one. Now for the prompt, again, you can be as detailed as you like, or you can just be straight to the point and see what it generates. It all depends on how many credits you have, honestly. So for the prompt, we're just going to put older woman morphs into younger woman. Smooth transition. And we're going to change the duration to 5 because we don't need 12 seconds of this. It's just a quick transition from one video to the next, or one frame to the next. And then we're going to leave the resolution at 1080p. We're going to click generate and let it do its thing. Okay, so here is what it generated. Not bad, not bad. So it's going to go really quick anyways. Again, it's just like a transition. So we're going to add it in between the 2 frames. Okay, so let's see what it looks like right now.
It's that damn phone. You gotta put the phone down. You want to become who you want to be. They was right. It's that damn.
All right, so it goes really slow right now. We're just going to click the image, go to speed, and let's adjust the speed.
You want to become who you want to be. That's right.
Okay, still too slow. Again, it's a transition, so you gotta probably turn it up a notch. So you just gotta go through and test it out to see where it fits as far as the morph. It won't have sound, or you can add the music that is on your video, however you want to do it. But you have to test it and see how it flows perfectly inside of your video. You may not get it right on the money the first time around, but if you keep trying, you'll get it, okay? The full video is on my TikTok video. If you have any questions about how to do this or any other AI tool, you can always message me or send me an email at billionairekc@gmail.com. And as always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later, okay? Okay, bye.